Here I have Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as fast boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping the volume keys, and you can confirm options by pressing power key. So at the very beginning, let's choose recovery mode here and press power key to confirm it. Now let's wait a couple of seconds until the recovery mode pops up. As you can see, the no command picture pops up, so it means that now you have to start holding power key, and while holding power, let's press volume up once. And this is the Android recovery mode. So here you can navigate also by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Here you can read a couple of useful information about your device, about your system, and you may also hear reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, or run graphic test. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power off, or the first option, which is reboot system now. In my case, let me choose reboot system now, press power key to confirm it, and the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Alright, the home screen pops up, so now you can unlock the device and start using your phone. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.